Princess Peach, a symbol of grace and courage, always ready for adventure no matter where it takes her. Whether she's rescuing, throwing a party, adventuring, or racing on the track. But even princesses and the devices we use to connect with their world need a little extra power sometimes. That's where the Antank 2-in-1 magnetic power bank comes in. This isn't just a phone charger. It's designed to keep your Switch, AirPods, and your iPhone ready for action. This means hours of uninterrupted gaming, streaming, and staying connected on the go. Whether you're on a long trip, waiting for an appointment, or just relaxing at home, the Antank battery pack has you covered. One of the coolest features is the wireless charging capability. I used it for my AirPods and my iPhone, and it's really cool. The magnetic design sticks securely to your Switch, so you can keep playing even when the battery gets low. All it takes is a little wire at the back for your Switch to connect with the charger, and you can keep going for hours. Just snap it on, plug it in, and effortlessly charge your Nintendo Switch. Your iPhone and your AirPods can charge wirelessly. It's seamless and convenient. The power bank has a massive battery and is designed to provide hours of gaming and streaming, giving you the extra boost you need to conquer any challenge. It's small but mighty, fitting perfectly in your pocket, making it incredibly portable. So whether you're exploring a new kingdom in your favorite game, catching up on the latest episodes, or simply commuting to work, this magnetic power bank keeps you powered up for hours. It's the perfect companion for any adventure, big or small. The link to the Antank 2-in-1 magnetic power bank is in the description of this video. Check it out and never be caught with a dead battery again. For the coloring process of this Princess Peach artwork, I've chosen to go with alcohol markers, which are my preferred pens for coloring right now. The base color I'm using is called Pastel Peach, so of course I had to use it for Princess Peach. Well, jokes aside, if you've been following my art for a while and my channel, you'll know I use alcohol markers all the time. My go-to are Ohuhu, but I use other brands too, like Copic markers, arrtx markers, Winsor & Newton, and arrtx, just to name a few. Not all alcohol markers perform the same way, and there are some differences. In this drawing, I've used both Ohuhu and Copics again. Both brands have a huge variety of colors and shades, but in addition to that, they're also highly blendable, so you can effectively create your own colors by blending and layering. See how smoothly they glide across the paper? It makes them an absolute joy to use. I also use the chisel tip or my Winsor & Newton's alcohol markers for Peach's hair. But what about you? Have you used alcohol markers before? I'd love to hear your thoughts on them and your experience. If you have any other suggestions or ideas of pens I could use or give a try for my own art, I'd be more than happy to give them a try. I'm always up for trying new pens or art and drawing supplies in general. It's what makes the creating process really fun for me, and it helps me keep experimenting. I'm nearing the end of this drawing